Hey everyone, this is Elaine from Larkin Lane Creations. I'm upcycling again. I work for a general contractor and we get all kinds of samples and goodies. And I tell you the truth, I just had to do something with it. I mean, look at this piece of wood. This is beautiful. But one thing about everything that I get, it has these big old labels on it to identify the color and where it came from. So I want to give everyone a little tip. This is my favorite tool of all time. It's actually a spackling tool for grout and everything. So I don't use this end very much, but this end I scrape paint in my journal. I scrape glue to stick things together. I pry things with it. I use it for a screwdriver. This is the best tool. One day I misplaced it. I had to go to Lowe's and get me another one. I couldn't be without it. So in order to get these labels off when I don't necessarily care that it stays intact, I use Goo Gone. Now Goo Gone you can buy anywhere and everywhere. It's pretty readily available. But I was on a recent trip to Maryland and there was a store there called Queens Ink in Savage, Maryland, and they had this undo. Now I'm not sure I'd use it the way it's supposed to because I kind of use it in the same way I do Goo Gone, but this actually removes stickers and tape in one piece. So then if you wanted to keep it and put it in your journal or use it in another application, you can. So this is some pretty good stuff, I have to say. Anyway, so back to this. I wanted to show you, this is just a sampling of the colors that I have not used. So what I'm going to do now is show you some things that I've done, but I'm also going to ask you to make comments below on the YouTube page here and tell me if you have any kind of ideas, things that I could do with these. I have 7 left, but I have probably done a couple of dozen of these. So here's some of the ideas that I have done. These were some things I got from a craft store. They're made to look like spoons. And I thought it would be good to hang necklaces on, to hang your keys on. And the thing I like about it is it's not a very big footprint. So you could put it behind, a dresser or behind a door, and it's not going to be one of these huge key holders. And I don't know, there was something about it. I said, this is perfect. The one thing about this wood that kind of threw me too was the hole. They had them on a ball chain, all together in one big lump, so it was very bulky. But I didn't necessarily like the hole in the corner. For some reason I wanted it right there, but I made the best of it. So I did those, and then I did these. And as you can see, again, a variety of colors. Now I'm going to paint these black. I'm still in process, which is something too I need to say to you. A lot of things that I do may be works in progress. So, I keep coming up with ideas and everything, but I am going to paint those screws black. But again, you can see the assortment of colors that I have. Now these hooks right here I got from IKEA. And again, I just thought this was so pretty. Think about, you could hang your dog leash on it and your keys. And then when you're ready to walk the dog, out the door you go. Everything is right there. Again, it's a small footprint and won't take up a lot of room. I was also thinking it'd be a good place to hide some keys, like in your garage or whatever. Nobody could see. Now these I also got at IKEA. So as you can see too, I staggered them so they're not necessarily side by side, so they hang at different heights. I try to be a little bit creative about all of this, knowing this. But again, these were free to me. The blocks of wood were free, and the hooks were maybe $2-3 at IKEA. But I think it would be a nice gift even, So, and then the last thing I want to show you are these. I used them as clipboard clips, and these of course are from our friend Tim Holtz. Everybody knows Tim, and again, you could put a little note on it. This could be something that you just put inside of your cupboard. I don't know. I just really thought that was nice, just to put a little note or even a full piece of paper on it. But as you can see, sometimes I get bombarded with samples and overwhelmed. So I do need your help. I need your ideas. So if you like my video, I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up, and I'd also appreciate if you subscribe and tell all your friends that I'm here and I need their ideas too. So y'all have a good day, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.